guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Arapana, and on my channel I do a lot of bougie on a budget videos, styling videos, hauls, occasional motherhood content. I have a lot of new content coming soon, so I would love it if you guys would consider subscribing to my channel, giving this video a big thumbs up. You can also go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you like. So today's video is going to be my very first Kohl's haul. I usually don't shop at Kohl's, but I did have an Amazon return to make from my brother-in-law. So while I was in Kohl's, I was like, let me browse around the store, and I actually found a lot of really cute pieces. I may have bought one or two items here or there over the years, but I've never really shopped at Kohl's. So this is my first time shopping there, and I actually really like the pieces there. So yeah, let's get started with this video. So this is the first item I wanted to show you guys. It's this really pretty long jumpsuit in this red color. I thought it was so pretty, so vibrant. I just love red. So red is one of my favorite colors to wear. You guys know I love my neutrals and beiges and things like that, but I do also really like red. So I really like this part here because it's stretchy and the sleeves are a little bit like fitted here, and I like the flowiness of it. This is like a lightweight to medium weight material, so very comfortable. It doesn't have pockets. I keep trying to put my hands in imaginary pockets. So I'm 5 feet 4 inches, by the way, and that's how long it goes down on me. So technically I could wear these with some sandals, or I could wear them with heels as well, because I like the length on these. If you're taller, then it's definitely going to be a little bit shorter on you, but I love this. It fits so comfortably, and if you wanted, you could wear it off the shoulder as well, so that's really nice. I love off the shoulder tops, dresses, all that good stuff. So that's what it looks like off the shoulder. It's super comfortable, you guys. Like, I'm really in love with this one. I actually can't wait to be able to wear this out, because I think it's so cute and effortless, because it's just a jumpsuit, but it's just so cute. Like, I love everything about this. So yeah, I definitely recommend this one. 10 out of 10. So I feel like if I size up to extra large, this mommy pooch of mine wouldn't show as much. So I'm going to look online to see if I can get in an extra large, because I think this dress is just beautiful. I love the way it moves. It's so lightweight and pretty. I love the top part here. I think this is like a cute little detail, so you can adjust this so it can fit a larger chest. That's what the sleeves look like. This dress does come in other colors as well. I saw it in like a black floral print, and I love the length of it. I think it's a really good length. And the back of the dress is stretchy, so that's really nice. So we have one more dress, this pretty white dress. I did size up to an XXL because I do have wider hips, and I felt like this part would be too small if I just got the extra large. So I'm glad I got the XXL because it fits a little bit better, and I think if you cinch a belt around your waist, it would look even better. This is so cute, the perfect like little white dress to wear anywhere basically. And I like this part because it's super cute. It is like stretchy, so I love that little ruffled top. This part here is ruffled, and this bodice is very stretchy as well. So this is like double lined, so you don't really see anything through it. I don't see anything through it, so I really like this. It's just a pretty white dress. Like, you can't go wrong with a pretty white dress in the spring and summertime. It just looks effortless, and it's just a must. So next up we have this lounge set, which is so comfortable and so cute, you guys. This was actually the first thing I saw when I walked into the store. These are sold separately, so you would have to purchase this by itself and this by itself, but oh my gosh, I love this. And it's different from the usual like jogger style that I usually get, or like just a straight leg. So this is very much a wide leg, and it's so comfortable. This is like a medium weight material, I would say. I love the fact that it has pockets, and I love the fact that this is like loose, so I love that. And I love the fact that the pants are so high-waisted, and they have this little like frill detail, and everything is super stretchy. It's so cute, and it comes in a bunch of different colors, so if you don't like this color, there's definitely a color for you. Honestly, it's just so comfortable, and you can definitely size down in this because I got a large and it fits perfectly fine, and it is very stretchy, so you can size down in this one unless you want it a little bit more oversized. But Yeah, I really like this. It's definitely something different from what I would usually buy, but I really like it, you guys. It's so cute. So this is the next outfit I wanted to show you guys. So the bag is from Kohl's, this top is from Kohl's, and so is the jeans. I don't have any shoes on. I didn't buy any shoes from Kohl's, but obsessed with these jeans. These are by Lauren Conrad. I've seen her stuff before in Kohl's. I've never purchased anything, but I always thought her line was super pretty. So these are like a cropped straight leg skinny jean. These fit so comfortable. They are a little bit high-waisted. I love the wash on them. They just have like minor distressing. These are very comfortable on. I love where it hits me, so it's not too cropped. So I like that it fits so well, you guys. I definitely recommend these jeans, and they fit true to size. Don't forget, everything I talk about will be linked down below in the description box. You can go ahead, check out the other colors, sizes, all that good stuff. So next up is this really cute fun top. I love the sleeve. I think it's a little bit different, so it kind of like flares out a little bit at the end. I love this like little mini peplum style, and this button detail is so cute. I had to grab this to show you guys because look at it. It's a canvas purse. So these types of purse have been in for a bit now, and I really like this one because I felt like it looked a little bit different than the usual canvas purses we've been seeing. And it also comes in like a tote version. It also comes in like a little backpack version, and the straps are also adjustable, so that's really nice. And if you open it up, it does have two compartments. It just still has the tissue in there. So that's the first compartment, and then that's the second compartment, but you can fit a lot of stuff in here. I think this is like the perfect like little weekend crossbody bag. So next up is this lightweight flowy top that is paired with the same jeans. I love these types of tops when I don't want to wear anything tight. I don't want to draw attention to my stomach. I love these types of tops for those days because they're just so effortless, so pretty and comfortable at the same time. This is a nice lightweight material. You can adjust this and tie it however you like. And I love the little sleeve detail. It kind of flares out a little bit, so it's very cute. This top is going to work well with any pair of jeans you throw on or any pair of shorts. It's just an effortless, simple top. I love like the little tiered looking detail. It's kind of similar to the white dress, that type of style. So I definitely recommend this top for those days that you just want something loose fitting and flowy, and this will definitely like keep you cool in the warmer weather because it's not like tight to your body, and it's so breathable. It's very breathable. So I definitely love this outfit. Throw on a pair of sandals and you're good to go with your crossbody bag. This is the final outfit I wanted to show you guys. So these white jeans are high-waisted. They do have a button detail, which I do appreciate because I feel like it's a little bit slimming. And these jeans are by Simply Vera Wang. So these jeans claim to be slimming through the thighs, and I definitely feel like they are. I feel like they do slim you out a little bit, so they fit really nicely, you guys. They are a skinny jean. Again, I'm 5'4", and that's where it hits me a little bit below my ankle. It is actually surprisingly slimming for a skinny pair of white jeans because that's kind of hard to find, and also it doesn't show anything through, so that's a plus. So yeah, I'm really impressed with these jeans. Actually, I may have to go get them in other washes just because I'm actually really impressed with them. They're super cute, and I think they were like $30-something with a coupon. You can always go onto Kohl's website, and they usually have like a coupon up on their website. A store associate actually told me that one time. So if you're shopping in store and you don't have a coupon, just go on their website and screenshot whatever coupon they have up on their site. So then the last item I have to show you is this really pretty crop top. So this is definitely a top I would only wear with high-waisted jeans just because it is cropped, but I just love the detail of it. I love the neckline. It does come with padding already on the inside, but I feel like if you have a larger chest, you still need to wear a bra. Like I still have my bra on underneath this. This bra does convert into a strapless bra as well, so I could totally wear this same bra with this top. So yeah, if you're on the larger side, I'm a 38D for reference, I would definitely still wear a bra with this just because I feel like the padding on the inside isn't as supportive as I would like it to be. But I love this top. I just loved the sage green color. This top comes in a bunch of colors as well. This top is just super pretty. It goes around in the back and makes like a little T, a T shape, and the straps here are adjustable. But yeah, this is the last outfit I wanted to show you guys. It's super cute, casual but cute and fun at the same time. So yeah, you guys, that wraps up my Kohl's haul. It was a quick one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.